Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, PC speakers only work with headphones connected, easy fix. Open Realtek Audio Console. Open Device Advanced Settings. Change speaker out or front speaker out in back and front panel. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.